The Director of Educational Technology has created a Jersey City School District Data Governance Implementation Plan to ensure that the district has tools to start working on this complex subject. It is a process for identifying and managing the most important assets of the district, its data. This will start with an ongoing set of tasks that will result in identifying and documenting data stewards, processes, owners, a governance structure, and required reporting. The ultimate goal is to improve data quality and ensure that district staff know how to access, analyze, and use data appropriately. The Educational Technology Department arranges for and conducts training on a variety of topics using multiple delivery systems, including hands-on, small group, large group, one-to-one, online, synchronous, and asynchronous systems.
After logging into ASAP, you will be directed to the home page. Across the top is your home key, which will bring you back to this page, your home page. Across the top is your home key. The Absences tab will allow you to view past absence as well as create a new one. Feedback is for any comments or notes left by yourself or any administrator or supervisor.
First thing you need to do is complete and submit a connectivity request form. You identify who you are and request access to New Jersey Smart. Your immediate supervisor, principal, director, or associate superintendent will authorize it with his or her signature. When the teacher logs into Infinite Campus at the beginning of the day, he or she has to select the appropriate period at the bottom of the page to get access to the students who need to be marked absent or tardy. Students, by default, are marked present. This is a concept known as positive attendance. Is go to the district's website at www.jcboe.org to get on the district's intranet. Follow the directions to log on to the intranet. The username is your staff ID number, and the password is your last name. Contact your payroll clerk if you don't know your staff ID. When you are logged into the intranet, select the Business Technology link. At the next screen, select the Other Business Applications icon and then select New Jersey Smart from the list. Log in with your last name and staff ID. The department uses Google Apps to conduct surveys on various topics including technology integration, teacher use, and teacher readiness. The department also gets involved in system migrations by identifying and mapping to new tables using standards and verifying migrated data. The Educational Department has worked with the Human Resources Department in the past by identifying and documenting processes, work responsibilities by staff, and managing Systems 3000 Human Resources implementation and training. The department uses VCO to create flowcharts and pictographs to graphically represent flow and processes. The Director of Educational Technology has been involved with strategic planning for the past 35 years through its multi-year technology plans and more recently with the Data Governance Implementation Plan. The Director and Supervisor of the Educational Technology Department have been involved with district infrastructure planning for over 30 years. The most recent recommendations include projects like replacing the school building local area networks, also known as LANs, with a fiber backbone, implementing wireless at annex locations, upgrading legacy wireless at all schools, increasing bandwidth on the wide area network, also known as a WAN, to 1 gigabit per second, increasing bandwidth of internet service provider and providing a second internet service provider as a backup, replacing obsolete switches in the schools, implementing a network security management solution, implementing public Wi-Fi spots and IP-based security cameras and video servers, research upgrade of phone systems to a voice-over IP solution, and implement a district-wide fiber leased bandwidth solution. Many of these recommendations have already been implemented or are near completion. Others are in the planning stage. These projects involve collaboration and cooperation with the other departments who are critical to completing priority projects. Many of the deliverables coming from the department are the result of research of standards and best practices, including data governance, early warning systems, longitudinal data systems, and the data quality campaign.